This is your reminder, it's not your ability, it's your habit. What does it really take to change a pronunciation habit? In this video, I walk you through a real student breakthrough from mispronunciation to clarity. You won't see or hear them, but you'll feel the shift. Here's the setup. My student Dami and I are reading an article aloud. We reach this phrase, those age between 18 and 29. But something's not flowing, and the issue is just one word, aged. So we stop everything. We zoom in on the word, on the sounds, and we break it down. This isn't something we skip or leave for later. We fix it right now.
Anya, you're still adding the vowel sound. Okay.
Tommy already knows the word aged. She knows how to use it. She knows when to use it. But I can hear her inserting a vowel between the j and the d, which is a very common habit, especially for Korean speakers. So instead of saying aged, she's using the old poetic style pronunciation, aged.
The two final sounds that you want to focus on is j, d. 네. 네, jd 하세요. 좋아요. aged 하세요. 네, 좋아요. 한 번 더 aged 하세요. 네, 좋아요. Can you say it 3 times by yourself? 네, 좋아요.
The first reason is Tammy's first language is Korean. Korean is a phonetic language, which means that each character represents just one sound. English isn't phonetic. Number two, Korean doesn't allow for consonant clusters, so every consonant is separated by a vowel. That's why the ending zd in aged feels awkward, and seeing an E between the letters only makes it more confusing for Dami. Then we try the full phrase.
네, those aged between 18 하세요.
And suddenly she reverts. She starts saying aged again.
Those aged 하세요. Do you hear the difference?
Now she has to blend the z from those and the jd from aged, and they're back to back. Again, going back to Tami's native language, Korean, those combos don't exist. So her mouth isn't used to making those sounds.
Don't look at the word. Look at me. 한 번 더 마지막으로. aged.
So we continue to practice. First,
네.
just aged.
aged between 하세요.
Then we start adding in the surrounding words.
네. age between 18 하세요. 네.
And then she says something that I love hearing. I want to try again.
Yes? Okay. Go ahead.
And in that moment, I know she's good because it means she has awareness. She understands there's a problem. She's taking ownership, which is very powerful. And she can also identify what the problem is. And she's choosing to correct it.
네. 계속 하세요. 이건 뭐예요?
So she tries again.
네.
One more time. It's much better.
네, 좋아요. 계속 하세요. 네, 맞아요. 계속 하세요.
And
네, 좋아요.
she gets it right. I'm so proud of her. Good for you, Dami.
힘들죠.
If you take one thing away from this, it's this. Pronunciation problems usually aren't about ability. They're about habits built over time. The fix is to stop and break it down. Identify what's blocking your flow. Is it the word? Is it a combination of words? Is it your stress on the word? Then you start to rebuild it with intention. You focus on that challenging pronunciation while also connecting it with the other words around it. Progress doesn't come from rushing through or ignoring challenges, and If you know me, you know this is my philosophy for life too. It comes from pausing in the hard moments, identifying the issue, and choosing to try again. So, if you'd like more tips on how to improve your pronunciation, just hit that follow button wherever it is on screen. See ya.